This is a review of the Lifestraw by Vestergaard. Now, if you spend any time outdoors, traveling, or you have a prepared mindset, this is an item you're gonna wanna have on hand. I got this because I spend a lot of time outdoors. I do a lot of camping, hiking, backpacking, and I can't always pack in enough water to get me through the trip. This is incredibly lightweight and small. I can throw this in a bag, keep it in my vehicle, and if there's an emergency where I need to get a quick drink of water, I can just dip this in any stream like this. It's easy to use. I can keep it in my pocket. If there's a stream, any kind of body water, you just pop the top right here. Pop the mouthpiece cover right here. You just need to do slow draws to start with. That'll prime the chamber, and then you have a flow of water. Like I said, for something this small, inexpensive, you can get a couple of them, keep them with your family members. You can also use it at the house if you have any kind of power outage and you don't have safe water, or the power's down completely on the water treatment facility. Then you're going to want to treat the water yourself and have to boil it, or have something like this that'll get the impurities out. Lifestraw is well known in the water purifying world, and it's something easy to keep on hand for emergency sake, or if you backpack, camp. Whatever you do, it's easy to have on hand. That's why I have it. Like I showed, it's that easy to use. So check one out.